Hey there guys, how are you all doing? This is your Vibro again from Tech Week team, and so today in this video I will be explaining you the fix of your microphone in Phoenix OS. I did make a video related to it, but a lot of you guys have been facing some issues and you're just telling me that it is not working and stuff like that. So this will be a quick video. It won't be a long one. So this works pretty much in every version of Phoenix OS, but I did try on dark matter and it didn't work on dark matter, but still you can just try. Maybe the stuff that I did wasn't right. So first and foremost thing that you need is you should have the Super SU or Magis Manager installed. ये दोनों pre-installed ही आते हैं अपने Phoenix OS पे. So it's not a big deal. And also you need to download two files. All right. One is the init.sh file. Don't worry, the link will be there in the website down below. It's our website. You can go ahead. You can just read the whole instruction. It's there. It's written in detail. So it's pretty good out there. And also you can go ahead and just download those two files. One is the init.sh and the other one is the Root Explorer one. So don't worry, both of these applications will be there in the description, so you can go ahead and download them up. So first and foremost thing you need to do is open up Root Explorer, and then it will ask for a root access. Just hit allow. Right after hitting allow, go to download. Now it won't be in download, it will be in home. All right, it will be in root and storage. You just need to scroll down to downloads because you have downloaded this file, right? The init.sh. You just need to hold it and just click here, copy. And after copying it up, go to root and then go to etc. I'm extremely sorry. Go to etc and just paste it over here. Already is. Do you want to override? Hit yes, and it will be done, and boom. And after that you just need to reboot your system, and then you can check your microphone as well as your Wi-Fi would be working pretty great. So this is a pretty easy fix for that. So hope this really works for you. It's a really quick video. आशा करता हूँ ये आपको काम किया होगा. And if you got any queries, you know how to reach me down in the comment box below, or also you can follow me in Discord or Instagram. Both of the accounts will be there. The username will be there in the screen, so you can go ahead and follow me out. So ऐसे अच्छे से रहिए कि मैं डाउट से खुद को पढ़ा. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Have a great day. God bless you all and take care. Bye.